Take an iron utensil. Take 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder and roast it at low flame until it changes its color into complete black. This roasted turmeric has excellent skincare benefits and it is suitable for all skin types. It will take approx 8 to 10 minutes to change its color. This is how it would look. Take 1 teaspoon of black turmeric powder, half teaspoon of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, and 1 teaspoon of curd. Mix it well to form a paste. Now spread it evenly on a clean face. You can keep it for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, wet your fingers and massage it off. Remember, you need to massage it for at least 4 to 5 minutes. Now wash it off with cold water.